to cook up another instrumental. You ought to give me 2 thumbs up just for this intro.
It's Bigg Vic TV.
Hey, welcome to my world. What is up, guys? It's your man Bigg Vic, and I am back in here with another video. And today I did some experiment. I went into Output Arcade using only arcade, and what I wanted to do was create a nice hip-hop track that I felt could possibly make someone's album, anybody's album. So we did that. I used nothing but arcade, no other plugins. Everything was done in arcade for this track. So what I want to do is kind of go through each instrument that I used out of arcade and let you guys hear what I came up with using only arcade. Let's check it out. All right, so we got the first instance of arcade pulled up, and the first instrument we used came out of the ingredients called Bouncing Melody. And I went in here, and it's just some of the sounds that are in here. So I'm gonna just play. Right now we're in C minor. Originally, when I went into each one of these instances, none of them were already in C minor, so I had to go in and change the scale to C minor chords, the scale of C minor. So here we go. Let's crank out the first instrument. So the next one just repeats, it just loops again for the next bar. Let's get to the next instrument. Next instance of arcade, we used Warped Dark Dirty Filters dub. So it's just basically just subtle noises, subtle sounds that I kind of threw in. And I used this portion to kind of fill my drums out a little bit, just to add a little something extra for my drums. So let's play that now. Next instance of arcade, we pulled up the instrument Sunrise and Manali. Let's see. And I believe I slowed this one down. Yeah, I slowed it down by 2. So we did. I believe it's slowed it down by 2 times. So let's check this out with this instance. So far, sounding like it's coming together. It's coming together. So, but what I also did was I added the RX 950 filter just to give it a nice filtered sound for the chorus, not the chorus, but for the verse part of the beat. So let me play it back one more time, and you'll hear where it gets to the next 8-bar loop. It filters out. So let's check that out. So I did the same thing with the drum loop. Drum loop I added. We went into drum breaks. Drum breaks called kicking it, and I went ahead and pulled out a loop of drums out of here, a couple of different loops in here to add the rest of the elements to this basically completes the track right here. So let's bring the drum loop in and let you guys hear what we came up with all in arcade. All it needs now is a verse and a hook pretty much, and that will wrap up this beat pretty much. It would do it. So let's check it out. I'm talking too much, like old dude said. Yo, shout out to him. Let's check it out. So if you think that you couldn't create a full track just using arcade, I just proved that you can actually do that. So you can go into arcade and create a beat from scratch, pulling different elements, different loops, different pieces of chops, and put in your own track together just using arcade. As I've been meant to get around to doing this, but I finally had the time to do it and see if I could create something that I would feel comfortable with saying I created that out of arcade. So I think the track is dope. Drop them comments below, man. Let me know what y'all think of that beat out of arcade. I think I may spit some bars on that and bring that track back and show you guys what I created with it. Drop in the comments if I should do that, or if I should get somebody else to spit bars on it. Let me know. All right? This is your homie, Bigg Vic. We black again. Always hustle, never stop growing. I'll see y'all guys in the next video. Peace.